Floki Inu is the people's cryptocurrency there, as you can see, and it started as a joke and it was named after Elon Musk's pet dog, now building real products. Interesting stuff. It also has a very serious development cycle with Floki Fi or DeFi, Floki University Education, and its own NFTs, which are launching on here as well. You can find out more about it up here. All this cool stuff there. All the information you want to know about the coin is there as well. And it also has a global marketing platform, ads on London trains, Dubai streets, and even football clubs. Yeah, that's right. It's even got ads on football clubs and stuff like that, okay? It also has a utility plus meme function, which is a rare combination that gives Floki both attention and real use. They also have a long-term vision for this coin, which is focused on onboarding new users through education and gamification, which is very cool. I recommend checking out Floki Inu as well. I hope you guys like that coin. Check it out. It should be pretty cool. Look at all these awesome statistics here, man. Very cool coin. Lots of stuff to learn on the site, as you can see there as well. So that one, Floki Inu, is going to be a good coin as well. Okay.